Here I have HTC U Ultra, and let me show you how to enable backup options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Let's find and select the apps icon, then choose settings, scroll down, and right here you should find the backup and reset. It's located under personal tab, so choose backup and reset, and then here you've got the backup my data feature. Let's enable this feature by using that switcher right here. Let's go back, and as you can see, backup my data is switched on, and you have to also add the backup account. So you need to set the backup account. Let's choose it. If you have added some Google account, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. It's important to have an internet connection right now, and here you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or use an existing one. So let me use an existing one. Let's input an email. Tap next. Then you have to enter the password. Let me do it. Excellent. Let's choose next again. Let me enter my password one more time. Alright, let's choose next. Tap accept. The device is checking info. Let's choose next again. Here you can disable or enable automatically backup device data. And that's it. You just add a necessary backup account and enable backup my data feature, so you can use the Google account option on this phone. So you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.